I did it again. This time I didn't go that long. I went 17 minutes. But I'm blaming on Mardigan because he wasn't here to tell me I muted myself. Oh my gosh. This time I muted myself with just my mic before I had it on the settings. Oh. So, anyways, I'm building this thing. Jeez. This is going to be start PvP. All right. I'm going to copy this, paste it, paste it. All right. And I'm going to deactivate that, but then I want to change this one to this one. Then I want to change to this one. So let's give it a try. Obviously, PvP, there's nothing there, so we're not going to try that. But back to main. That worked, but I also need to activate the navigation. So I kind of want to have start main. So I have the start battle, then I have start solo and start PvP. Hmm. I will leave it as is. No, no. I want these two together. So we're gonna throw another UI in there. Panel. Drag it up to the top here. This is gonna be start main. I'm gonna put nav in there. I'm gonna put that in there. Activate both of these. You can't see this because it's underneath this layer. And then this I'm going to have. Yeah, both of these are fine. I think. We'll see in a second. All right, and then start main. I don't need two of these anymore. I'm gonna deactivate it to show that it's activating it. Right. Back to main. Boom. The only thing is, we have this under layer, and we don't need felt here. Nothing here. None. This canvas also needs to be clear, but we can have a felt here. And opacity all the way. Oh crap! I did all that stuff while playing. All right, let's try that again. So none else. Break up opacity. That should be good, right? Yeah. These are on top of everything, so that should be good. Oh, yeah. Let's try it again. There we go. And then this button should actually open up Start Battle. So here, and then store, not store. The heck? Where is it? Oh, not main. It's right. Funny. I don't need. Wow. Hmm. We don't need either of those. All we need is this. And then start battle. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, we need to deactivate this one. All right. Look at that. It's much cleaner, I think. And then it loads like that. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to go back to 1920 by 1080 because this is my typical thing, you know. My typical aspect ratio dimensions. Holy granola, Kevin. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Um so we are going to start building this thing right here. The solo play map. So we got a few things. First off, this map is huge. As you can see, we're pretty zoomed in here. But I kind of like this. The problem is, so for, let's say, map 1, This is map one. We could do a couple things. I'm just speaking out loud because that's obviously what I should be doing. But I have no idea how I really want to attack this. So, like I said, I want it zoomed in like this. This start battle should not actually appear until you have a um, a battle selected. Um, and so this map, I want it to be like so. Um, I don't know if this is going to work. It did work. Okay. So, but this is just starting it, right? It's pinned this now. So when we come in here, this is the bottom corner right here, right? It looks like it's slightly cut off. But I mean, that doesn't really matter for the most part. Although I don't like this position of the start right here. So we're going to put this, which fixes a lot of things, right here. Oop, I need a hit play. So we have this town here, this horrible looking building here. Um, I need to fix that, obviously. And this area here. Then we have another area up here. But first, this is the first battle right here. So I want to put a little thing here, right? A little thing. Just a little thing. All right. Uh, and I'm going to deactivate you for now because you actually should be deactivated. Then I'm going to put an image on this map. Yeah, I was talking with some people today about this. I don't know if this is actually going to work, but we're gonna find out, right? Also, um, I need some assets. Oh, I'll show you everything here in a second. Oh, there's something. I don't think this is the area I want to be in. So, no. Probably. Nope. I'm looking for a. Oops, I need to open that. A little. Something like that, but not looking like a question mark. Look like a little black blob is what I'm looking for. Nope. This is my UI of random things. Ooh, I don't remember this. Oh yeah, I do. I think it's on map. No, this might work. Nope. And we are on a map, and these are coming from a map. Nope. Think any of these will work. Hey, this almost looks like what I was thinking of. But no. That's XP. That's a bar. Aha! This is it. This is what I was looking for. This little black blob. Um, so I found it. All right. Cool. And what is that black blob called? Overlay level. All right. Bring it into my resources. UI. Overlay level. Um, I mean, yeah, yeah. It's going on a level map, so I dig it. Now where are you at? Oh, here. Oh, it's I call it a lose circle. What? Why can't I? Oh, I had it right there. Whatever. That is tiny. Uh, okay, we're gonna have to do some editing here. Open this with I'm going to uh, open this up in Paint Shop Pro because um, Paint Shop Pro has a nice AI increasing of the image resize. I don't know. I'd say 500 by 500. That's huge actually. Let's say 400 by 400. And it's like 30. Oh, um, yeah, we need percentages. 450? No, 850. 1000 by 1000. There we go. Jesus. Um, Noise reduction, we're gonna have maximum. Illustration, exactly. All right, let's see what it does. I mean, not bad. We're not gonna see it that big. It's gonna be like this. So not bad. I almost want to do it again though. We could, instead of doing that, is oops, oop, oop. Nope. I didn't see any one step denoising. Maybe a little bit. Do I want to just make my own blob? I didn't do. Um, but you know, I'm a total noob at anything art. Um, I'm gonna save this. Save as. And I'm gonna put it in pictures. TCG Unity. Not a PSCP. I wanted file. All right. Uh, we're gonna attempt to make our own blob because I wasn't sold on that blob. Really. It's called Photoshop, not Otoshop. Yeah, I know, but still, just more work for something so silly. While this is opening, open this. Here. I'm gonna find my icon pack. Hmm. Oh yeah. Um, where was it now? Um, downloads. So I'm trying to find my I have a bunch of icons. This is it. Really? I guess I can show everyone this. Alright, it's in here. So all I'm looking for is a typical like two swords crossing or something like that. Although I'm digging these axes and stuff like that. Digging the axes. Can't you have more than just axes, huh? I thought it was this set, but I'm not seeing what I was looking for. Oh, this ain't hard to see what these are or anything. Um, well, here we go. There's a nice sword, axe. Yeah, we don't have all the things. Here's more swords. So yeah, I could take this from the icon that I used, which is doable. But I was hoping for just like the icon or the another sword. Yeah, I guess I mean, it could be just a sword. So I could like use one of these swords here. That's not a bad idea. So anyways, I want a new file and I wanted a square. I'm gonna put a new layer. And a brush. I have a lot of different brushes, so I figured I could find something that would work. At least that's an idea. I don't need fire. I don't know why I'm looking at fire. Lightning strikes. Ow! I don't need a lightning strike. I also need to change this to black. Bam! That looks cool, but I don't need a lightning strike. Um, that's pretty close to what I was looking for. I don't see anything. Uh, mm. Oh, it, I guess it's a not a normal brush. I am just using my mouse, but this is like an opportune time to use my Wacom tie ability if it works. Hey, look at that. I don't like it now. I guess it's Alt and Control and new layer set up. I'm not really sold on this brush. What's this? No, this is more like charcoal than oils. Undo, 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 undo. So this is definitely a mouse thing. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I kind of like that. Undo, undo. Yeah, I like this. I don't think I'm gonna have to texture it anything afterwards. I was thinking of trying to texture it afterwards. I really need to. No. What do you think of that? I think that's pretty cool. Uh, and I was able to use my a Wacom tablet, so I think they'll do. It's not perfectly centered or perfect in any way, but I kind of like that. No, I like that. So then we'll remove the background. After removing the background, I think I'm going to fill it in a little bit more in here. This I can do with a mouse. I don't have to worry about pressure. Oh, doesn't need to be perfect, like I said, but I like that. All right, file export PNG. Um, level dot. I'm going to save it as a level dot. Look at that. Me being all artsy. I love it. You agree that it looks good? Good. Um, And then, would you agree to something like this? Um, no, I think I want to have two swords. Oops. It's a good thing to I'm doing it on here because then I can have uh the image size be based on this. So yeah. Oops. Enter. Copy paste. Can't hit R. Trying to do Blender stuff in here. Transform, flip horizontally. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Um, yeah, I don't know. Uh, that one there. I like it. Look good. Look good. I think so. Um, all right, and then I'm going to um, save this as a PNG. Level white icon. And do you think we're gonna find a lock here? I'm going way too fast. There's a lock. It'd be really nice if they had a lock up here. Because grabbing it from uh, no background is way easier. Oh, there's two things. Than grabbing it with something with a background. So I'm just looking for another lock icon that I can use. Oh, there's the two swords. I like our swords better. Oh, there it is. Oop, there it is. Should I just keep it um, in this like little banner thing, or should I get rid of the banner thing and then just put the lock on there? Let me know. I have no drinks. I'm going to select that, select that. In case You're gonna say no, just get rid of it. I'm gonna copy it. Why isn't it editable? Okay, copy that. A little blurry. Is it doing something? Can't tell if it did anything. There we go. I could tell that one. That's much better. And this is gonna be a lot smaller anyways, so that should be fine. So get rid of the banner, you're saying. Good. Because I like that. Much better. All right. Get rid of that. Now we're gonna save this. Level lock icon. Now we're cooking, man. We're cooking. I'm gonna save this too, since we have my all the extra stuff on there. We don't need that. Oh, my Wacom tablet is running low. We don't need that on anymore. Um, okay. We're gonna actually delete this one. Oops. Oh, yeah. We are bringing in level dot. How exciting. How exciting to bring in the one and only level dot. I tell you, it's pretty exciting. We got a fight icon and we have a lock icon. Also bringing in into the battle of the game creation. And so that is much bigger. Still pretty small. Let's see what it looks like on. Can't even see it, level dot, because level dot is what is what is what is image? Oh, that was supposed to be a level dot image. Funny. Where are you, level dot? Way up there? Why are you way up there? Level dot? All right. Hey, level dot. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, I think. What's your guys' take on that? On good old level dot. I am going to then add another UI image. I'm centering it on level dot. Put lock on there. Ooh, look at lock. Lock looks good. I just realized I'm doing this all in play mode. That was outstanding. I did all that work in play mode. Ridiculous. Uh so sad. So sad. Image. This is level 1. Okay. And then add another UI to that image. Center it. Lock on there. I like it. But also we're gonna have another image on there, which is gonna be centered. This is gonna be the fight icon. It's gonna be disabled. What are we thinking? How is this looking to y'all? I like it. Okay, so that's working. Now, what I was wondering is level dot going to stay in the same spot when we do this? When we the heck, it's free aspect. We do this. We do this. Level dot staying right there. That's outstanding. Um, very neat. Okay. 20. Okay, I'm glad level dot is staying. Because then we can copy and paste that. This will be level 2. Push it over here. I'm going to redo this image, but it shouldn't matter because those placements will still be the same. When I say redo the image, I mean just tweak a few things. Although after putting the level dot over this, it doesn't look that bad. Okay. Now the question is, if I move said map around, will level dot stay? Is level dot stays. So the idea is we do 1, 2, 3, or like we do 1 and 2, and on the third one it shifts over to here. Fourth one shifts up to here. And then uh if you want to do the other battles again, you just click on the icon prior. So like this one, I click on this one, and it would shift back down. So then you could see the previous one, so on and so forth. I could probably also, instead of actually clicking on the map, I possibly have like a thing over here, a drop down over here, and maybe that drop down only appears if you like hover over it or something like that. Just thoughts. Great, great. I love it. Thank you for those kind words, sir. Um, and so on and so forth. So, but now we are going to anchor it over here. I really don't know if this is all possible yet. I haven't at all um done this, but um so ooh, I just thought of this. We actually might want these level images to be wrapped in a button. So, or have the button stuff on it. What are we? Is it just button? Is that all I'm missing? Kind of looks like it. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm going to add button to this. Button. Now it's a button. Nice. Button and button. So now, if I hover over it or not, um, it would be kind of cool to have these two swords if you click it they like clash together or something like that. So that's just a I think you can't see anything because it's black. And if that was like white, um, then it would be doable. I'm just trying to uh, see if anything would appear, but no. So yeah, I think that's something for next time. But they are buttons. All right. Now, I when I click on this button, I'm going to borrow this FSM. Cool. I'm not going to copy it to them because I'm going to edit it. I don't need it. I will need to activate and deactivate this. That should be at the bottom. And I don't know if it's going to be on this one specifically. Because what else do I need to do? Um, I want to set position. No, I don't need to deactivate this. I just need to activate the button when um okay, set position, move 2D position, rec transport set local position, transform set 2D position. I think that's what I need. And I'm not going to use owner. I'm going to use ZMap. And these are going to be 0, 0, exactly where it is at right meow. Uh, then I was seeing what I need to change. So I need to change the X position. And plus I moved the dot over just a scotch. And then we're going to activate this right here. So that's pretty much it. We're just moving the map to the desired position, and we are activating the start button. The start button then will initiate the deactivating of this screen and activating of the fight scene. Um, so we are going to just move X over, we're gonna say 30. Um, and then This will be 60 and up 30. Once again, not sure how this is all gonna work. This is all new to me. And then I'm gonna start the battle. So let's try it out. So pressing this won't do anything. It will be in the same spot, but this should shift it over just a scotch. That was a huge scotch. Um, okay. So I might need world when this is set to self. I might need it set to world. That was huge. Okay, let's try that out. Nope, just gone. Um, Interesting, huh? Hmm. It is not world. It is self. I might not. I might need something else. I might need rect transform. Green position. Hmm. Oh, that was not as useful if I put it on this one, but whatever. I'm just deactivating that one for now. And I'm going to move this over 30. Let's try that out. Pretty much did the same thing as 4. So that is not it. Um, I don't think screen position is it either, but we're going to try it out. That was big, but that might work. I just need to not have it so big. I can't push it. Yeah, I want to go -2. So I want to go the opposite way. Jeez, where is it now? Okay, screen position. It's not working. Uh, let's just let's try 2. Yeah, not screen position. What did I set 2D position? And I actually want probably a tween UI position. UI objects. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Okay. Map 20. No delay. I'm just gonna have it ease. Whatever. No loop. Ooh. That is what we want. There we go. Cool. Um, very neat. We found it. All right. Uh, we're gonna copy this. Go back to here. Delete that. Delete that. Put it up top. Put it at 0, 0. Um, we could play around with all these. Ease out quad. We'll do. That time kind of seemed fine. Let's try it out. Move over. Move over. I don't know about you, but I am giddy. Super giddy. I love this. This is great. We could actually increase this just a scotch. I want to say 40. We're going to copy this and then go over to level 3. We're going to delete that. Set up there. So we're going to go over even more. We're going to go over 80 and up. I don't know, 50. We just got to play around with these. A is in out expo in out quad. We go over here. Oh no. Oh, that's going the wrong direction. Good to know. Also, I want to have a background behind here. So in case this does happen. Oh, this is so cool. Obviously, start battle doesn't do anything, but that's what would start the battle. We could still go over much, much more. Oops. Okay. So 250 is too much. What, 245? And we could probably go negative 75. 245 is too much. So 240. And I don't think I want to go up any more on this click. Or do I? As if you, I don't want it to be able to not see this one. Let's go 80. Oh, look at that. Crisp. Crisp. I like that in and out quad. We're going to set them all to in and out quad. What time is it? How much longer do I want to do? Uh, So this was 240 by negative 80. Love it. And I think we could go over 60. We don't need to go up at or at all. All right. This is great. Level 4. A little bit lower. And but this is going to shoot up all the way up to here. It is going to be at 240, but whew, I'm going to say 240. Let's try it out. Move over some more. Oh, there's that one. Move up. Yeah, that's not even close. Oof. But when I go up, I also want to be able to see this one here still. So still I can't see the next one now. Ooh. So we're gonna have to, I don't know. I don't know what I said, but it is more more than a smidge. Oh my gosh, it's so close. So close. What I think I'm gonna have to do is decrease the distance between these objects. So this one is gonna have to come down to here. This obviously come into maybe like this these bushes area or over here. Yeah, that's I like that. Maybe put it over here. Shoot up to here. Might be able to still see this, but maybe just bring it down just a scotch. And then when we're here, we should be able to shoot over to here and see this. But with my view, I'm gonna have to move this over a smidge too. This should be fine. When I click on here, that should be fine. That should be fine. That'll be close, but that might bring this down a little bit because that distance then will be a little bit better. But then we come up to here. The last two battles up here might need another one around here. And then those two. Okay, okay. So I got some work to do with this map. I wanted to do some work with it anyways. Um, so I'm not going to mess around with these stats anymore because I'm going to move this anyways. So, but I'm so happy we figured this out, and I think it's looking great. Hopefully, you all do too. Um, Let me know always in the comments or on Discord. Uh, Let me know because okay, that works. um, Let me know on Discord. You can join there. I do post updates during the week. I have been posting updates during the week about this game. Um, Let me know what you think. I think we're gonna call it there. Um, yeah. For next time, I guess I'm going to have probably this all the spots on the first map done, and then nice. I'll have all the spots on here done. Um, and then we will actually start the battle scene, which for single player shouldn't be too hard. It's when we get to multiplayer it's going to be the difficult part. So, but it still will be a nice journey. So hopefully you'll join me in that. I will actually will not be here next week. It'll be 2 weeks from now that we'll start back up on this journey. So hope to see you in 2 weeks on Wednesday. I don't know. What is that? Wednesday the 12th at 8 o'clock, I believe. It might be 8:30 like it was today. Central time. So hope to see you all then. If I don't, take care. Have a good fourth if you're in the States. Uh, if you're not, have a good fourth anyways. And yeah, bye everyone.